Okay.
Yes, Sakti.
So okay. So first of all, let's see the updates from each marketing partnership campaign. We will start with the MI1, the phone and WA campaigns. I'll give the mic to Kak Aldo to give some updates about the campaign.
Aldo muted.
We cannot hear you, Kak Aldo.
Wait. Okay, so good morning, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Chair, for the time. So the updates here. So I did a little canvassing for Ubud area for this campaign. Actually, it's when I see the phone database, I observed the group a little, and I have found one leads in Ubud. I see this villa has a good price. So I talked to him and managed to convert the deal. So the villa is 2 bedroom, 7 million in Ubud, and uh, I'll send the summary by today for this villa. And the friction is Wayana have this one lead, Villa Denis. It's already converted but hasn't live yet due to photo pending by the owner. So the owner hasn't sent the appropriate photo that we can use for selling the property. And I already follow up with Wayana, and the owner said that the photo will be sent by today. And I think that's all for the update. Back to Miss Chair.
Okay, thank you, Kak Aldo, for the updates. For Moayana, do you want to add up to this regarding the Villa Dennis that haven't sent the photo yet?
Yeah, so actually I already contacted the owner. So the owner should be sent the photo by today. So actually they have 2 unit, 2 bedroom villa. So that's good. And I will follow up today, and then if I got the picture, I will update it as soon as possible so that I can offer it to the BI.
Yep.
Okay, thank you, Moayana, for the add ups. So maybe we can move on to the other campaign. Uh,
Rahma, I have a question regarding this campaign.
okay.
Okay, Rahma, can you please, Aldo, can you please scroll up? Okay, okay. So there's, as I can see, I only see zero leads from the other member that helping this campaign, right? For so Aldo, please update that also before we start the campaign scrum, and also,
Um,
yep, you want to answer that, Aldo?
just finish first, Mas Yusuf.
Sorry.
Finish your talk first.
Okay, okay. And then I have I don't know, it's like the other update basically. So at the end of this December, I want to sum up all of the transaction based on the each campaign. So I will ask you to record the transaction part in which property
Okay.
that we already have transaction. So we will reprioritize in which campaign that we want to focus first. Yep, I think just that I'll do over to you.
Yeah. So for the funnel from other canvasser, I think we already agreed that we will update it every Wednesday, ya, Mas. So I haven't updated on this card yet for the new leads.
Okay, I'll do.
Yep. Okay. Back to Miss Chair.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Caldo and Mas Rizal, for the updates. Does anyone want to add up to this, Mas Gani, Lila, or the other, or Grace? Do you have any other questions? No, okay. Let's move on to the next campaign for the field canvassing. I'll give the mic to Mas Rizal to give the updates.
Okay, thank you, Rahma. Aldo, please can you move to my campaign? Yeah.
Oops, oops.
Oops.
Wait, my screen is lagging. Wait.
Mm-mm-mm.
Okay.
Okay, so from my update is basically I have two points on there. So there is activity update and also campaign update. Based on the activity update, there's no progress right now because our field canvasser is basically from the Sila. She is right now in the quarantine mode because um, she apa ya? She got COVID radiation basically. So she is on the quarantine right now. Um, just that for the activity update and for the campaign update, there's a new canvasser temporal in Jogja. We'll do the activity by today, and also I need help Wayana or Aldo to follow up the old list basically. This is the I believe it is very close with the construction finish. I believe it is Bingin Villa Sankara and also Villa Monica. And also based on this campaign, so we already have Bani and also Daya, right? So I will need help from them to follow up our previous lead and also do the cold call in our previous database based on leads countdown Trello board. Yep, I think just that. Is there any have a question but to Mrs. Chan?
Okay, thank you, Mas Rizal, for the updates. Does anyone want to ask a questions or add up to give a comments to the updates from Mas Rizal? If no, then we can continue to the next campaign from MI3 from Mas Gani for the website campaign. So I'll give the mic to Mas Gani to see the updates.
Okay, thank you, Miss Chair. So for the website campaign, I already update the activity. Please, Aldo, scroll down a bit. Okay, so yeah, I will give update start from 18 December. So after we implement user journey on the website, we got two high quality leads by foreign owner in Bali. First is Villa in Pererenan. Villa in Pererenan is potential. It's by siapa namanya? I'm sorry, I forgot. And the second is Villa in Ungasan by Klo, yeah, Aldo, yeah.
Yep.
Klo. And the analytic compared to last week on the December 18 is the page view up until 8%, and we got 10 organic viewers and 20 ads viewers from Instagram, and the average time on page is up, and bounce rate is up until 30%. Please take a note, but this statistic it's very fluctuative. So today it's could be rising, but we don't know 2 or 3 days ahead it could be down. So yeah, it's very fluctuative. Okay, Aldo, please. Okay, so on that one, on the next action, I will ask Mas Rizal. So would you mind to set up the UTM parameters so we have more visibility on what is the direct traffic comes from. And the second is perhaps offer to siapa ya on the Sitok Mas Tendia. I really hope that we can have a more discussion about user journey. So I'm still waiting for community to the next Sitok with our partner. So we can determine what is the next user journey. Perhaps I will ask over to Mas Rizal. Mas Rizal, do you have the update about the UTM parameters?
Okay, for the UTM parameters, I already said that, and also I said the uh, organic as a source. So
Mm.
there's organic, and also it will be paid if it is for it is from uh, paid channel platform. So if we apa namanya, if you said that a word it's very correct word, it will be help us to know in which channel that come from. And I already also apa namanya, give training material to Rahma and also Lila regarding how to set a UTM tag, because they will work on social media
Mhm.
such as Facebook, for the Lila, and for the Rahma is I believe it is still in the development process.
I see.
And yeah, I think that's that for me. Back to Mas Gani.
Okay. So yeah, I think just that the update of the website campaign. Back to Miss Chair.
Okay, thank you, Mas Gani, and also Mas Rizal for the update. We can move on to the revenue campaign.
Rahma, I think Grace want to say something.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, I just want to ask about the website campaign analytics is in the Trello card is updated every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, right, Kak Gani?
Yeah.
Do you have like visibility about weekly analytics and see if it is increasing per week or decreasing?
Actually, I don't set the over the weekly apa namanya weekly update, but uh, all the data is already on the Google Analytics, so we can track each day, each month, each week. So it just depends on our point of view, whether what time we need to track the statistic. So yeah, that's the answer.
Maybe the next question I want to ask is if, do you have any best practice
Hmm.
like to maintain at least it's not decreasing. If it is not increasing, at least it's maintained in a certain number.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Grace, for the question. I will. Yeah, I will think about that. I will perhaps give the data about that. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the questions, Grace. Does anyone else have any other questions from Lila or Caldo or Moayana? Okay. Okay, I think that's all for the website campaign. Now we can move on to the revenue campaign MY1 Instagram conversion optimization. I'll ask for Grace to update uh, for the updates.
Okay, thank you, Miss Chair. Kak Auto, would you please open the cover, please? The cover photo.
Okay.
Overall for this week, we got like the highest ratio inquiry per post. It is more than 2, while the previous week is around 1.5. And then overall it's increasing and we got like 19 inquiries. I believe this one is because for the upcoming Christmas and New Year holiday. And then I already also give information about facilities and price in Instagram caption. And actually, like Villa Teddy, they have people asking in the comments, and 2 people actually direct message us for inquiries. And then my friction last week was like I was a little bit confused about pricing, like which one I have to refer. Is it Airbnb, Tokit, or Pricelist? And I already asked Lilis about this, so the description is okay now. And the opportunity is, I think giving facilities and pricing can do simplify the inquiry. And in the future, but we have to update it if there is any changes. That's from me.
Okay, thank you, Grace, for the updates. Does anyone have any questions or want to give a comments from Grace updates?
Um, Miss Chair.
Okay,
Yeah, I
okay.
think. Yep.
Sorry, since everyone have a lot of questions, so I'll give the mic first to Mas Rizal.
Yep. I think this is great. Based on the Instagram activity, we can know what is the friction and what is the opportunity. I believe all of the friction in each campaign we can floor it to the discussion management paper. So we can discuss together uh, what is the best solution regarding that friction, and also we can see the is the opportunity is actionable, or it just opportunity only. And yeah, I think just that for me, back to Mr.
Okay, thank you, Mas Rizal. I think Caldo also want to give some questions. No, okay. Does any other members that want to ask the questions or comments on Grace updates on Instagram conversion? No? Okay. Thank you for the update, Grace. Then finally, we can move on to MZ1, the Facebook marketing. I'll give the mic to Mas Gani again.
Okay, Rahma. So on the Facebook marketing, this one is just a monitoring card. So there is no update on this stuff. It's card. So it's just inform us that okay, we have a campaign that we help the BI campaign as well. So no need to discuss more about this. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mas Gani. Okay, since we're finished with the campaign on Trello cards, maybe we can move on to the discussion management paper. Kak Aldo, can you please change it? Okay, thank you. We have two threads, I think, from Mas Rizal regarding the long-term partnership in website. Could you please explain more about these threads?
Okay, thank you, Rahma, for the time. Okay, so this is came from website leads basically. This is quite new because we don't we don't experience regarding this. I mean, at the past of 6 months, we still difficult how to get leads from website basically. And right now, at the last week, we got two new leads that asking for a long-term partnership in our website. And basically, that's the leads I already attached that. And I just want to open discussion. What is great regarding the current our current action and what we can do better. Maybe right now, I want to discuss what is great regarding this campaign. That's open for discussion. Maybe Rahma, you can lead the discussion.
Okay, thank you, Mas Rizal, for the updates. Maybe we can start off with Mas Gani because this is about the website and you found out about this. Please tell us what's great about this website campaign.
Okay, thank you, Mr. So on the website campaign, the last week we just get two leads, but long-term partnership. Yeah, so this is quite new for us since about 6 months more we doesn't get new leads. So I think the problem is just two on the website. First, we have a apa namanya very much traffic onto our website, but it's not high quality. The first is on the apa namanya traffic quality ya. Oh, the audience quality is not good enough. I mean, they just perhaps they student, but they just apa namanya kepo-kepo about our website. It could be. The second is we already have the big traffic, high quality audience, but our content it's not engaging enough. So that's so from my perspective, this is only two problem on the website. And for this case, why we got leads? I think if we go back about 3 or 4 weeks ago, we just have a user journey discussion, and we like apa namanya understand the user journey, our partner's journey first when he or she have a apa namanya have a house, but then they want to make it more productive, and then they start building a villa, but when they have a villa, but they don't know how to sell it, and then they contact us and so much more. So we understanding more about user journey, and then we have a summary, and that summary I applied on the website. So if you guys curious, you can guys check out on the website. There is like apa namanya yeah a pain point. We call as a pain point. So what is the partner problems, and then we try to give the solution. So I think that's apa namanya that's the takeaways from this one, because previously like we not make any important changes on websites. We just apa namanya change the font, just change the color, change something small. But last week we add new section like we give the pain point, user pain point, and then we give the solution, and then the call to action as well. So I think that's good. So that's why I really hope that we can move on the next seal talk with our partners, so we can understand better about our partner. Yeah, I think just that.
Okay, thank you, Mas Gani, for the input. So yeah, Grace, I think Grace want to add up some input to this. Can you please give your input?
Yeah, maybe for the traffic, Kak Ghani, do you have any like plan to gain traffic from the social media that we have?
Okay. So on the traffic, yes, I believe me and Marisa already discussed it about this. So basically, our social media is especially on the partner, it's working better on Facebook, if I'm not mistaken. So that's why on the next week, I believe siapa Camelia Nila, ya Nila will working on the Facebook. She will create content and the strategy, and then from that Facebook post will apa namanya will direct to the website. So yeah, on the Facebook like that, and on Instagram, we still keep trying, because on the Instagram basically it's from guests. The audience is fit for guests, but uh, let's try that Instagram can be used for looking for partner as well. So on the next week, we will try to post some content on story, and then we'll make it as a highlight. So when people see our Instagram, they can see our product, our WhatsApp number, our apa namanya partnership content as well. So yeah, that's the plan. So I'm still planning on the Facebook and Instagram for the next action about gain more traffic. Yeah. I think that.
Okay, thank you, Grace and Mas Gani, for the input. What about Lila? What do you think about this?
Yeah, because originally we planned to do to release the content on January. So I'm still kind of like working out and trying to see what the competitors are doing and like the past few weeks and months traffic, and just try to figure out what's the best strategy. But At the moment, I'm still gonna. Well, I was planning to do still 3 content a week, and then maybe if it doesn't like bring a lot of engagement, then maybe once a day at least. Still focusing on pictures, but I will try to put a link so it can redirect to the website. But at the same time, I was thinking what if there's a like a I know that Book Vista have a blog content kind of thing. So maybe we could like post it on Facebook and then redirect it to the website. But like I know that links doesn't work very well on Facebook, so we kind of have to be smart on putting it. Yeah, I was just like trying to play around with the ideas at the moment, but yeah. Also, I've seen the messages. There are a few people inquiring about partnership. Um, I've told the HAR team, but I don't know if they have, you know, work with that. So yeah, because I'm not really sure about the property prices and all that. So yeah, I just saw a few inquiries. So maybe I should learn more about Boca Vista products so I could also help on that. But that's all from my side.
Okay, thank you, Dila. Yeah, Mas Gani, I think you want to answer about the blogs that want to be put into Facebook. Please give your comments about this.
Yeah, I think the Lila strategic about planning content published on Facebook, it's really great. You do analysis about competitor and planning how many times you post, and then posting the blogs and then share it on the Facebook. I think it's really great. But for my input will be, could you please make apa namanya card, a Trello card, so we all know the track the progress of your activity.
All right, okay. I'll put
Yeah.
that on Trello as well.
Yeah, so we know what kind of content you make, what message you create. So yeah, something like that. So we know the update.
All right, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mas Gani and Lila. So maybe we can move on to Mawayana. Do you have any input for this?
Okay. For this one, actually, I'm not familiar with like backend stuff. I don't have much common in it.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Mawayana. Maybe we can move to Kak Aldo. Do you have any input regarding this?
Maybe I'd like to give the input about the leads itself that coming. So for these two leads, I see that the audience for the leads is the first, they both are foreigner that have this villa, either building it or leasing to leasehold the villa, and they have um, so they usually come to Bali, but they also come back and forth to their country, so they need someone to manage the property. So I think the content and the strategies that we have on website is really working on these foreigner leads. So I think we could like enhance our website, improve our website to be this user specific audience. So I think that's what's great and what can we do better for our website.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Aldo, for the input. Okay, Mas Gani have questions or
Okay.
comments?
Okay, Aldo, since you are the contact the leads, so could you please share more detail about how they know our website,
Right.
how is their problem, so they contact us. So perhaps you could give more information about that. So so I know what I have to do on the website. So is it?
Yep. So for the full story about them, I already put it on the Trello. But for a brief summary, so for the Paranan one, so the leads, he's building two villas, and he's basically lives in Netherlands, and not really that often coming to Bali, but he needs someone uh, to help them on the rent on Airbnb, particularly. And also he much concerned about like legal stuff, so he really wants things to be very legal, and so the villa doesn't make any problem. And for the one that in Ungasan, it's Chloe. Her problem is that she used to have a manager that manage the property, the rental itself, but apparently she apparently the manager itself is not reliable because she's not very transparent about the data, about the pricing, and also about the guests. So she fired the manager and wants to have someone to look after the property, because she will come back and forth to her country in April and won't come back into Indonesia like for months. So she needs someone to manage the property and also manage their staffs. And also, both of them really concerned about the legal stuff. So they really wants to know about the legal stuff that I need someone. I asked Maulana for the contact of the people that really understand the legal and could consult with them. I think that's the summary of the leads.
Yeah, thank you, Aldo.
Okay, thank you, Kaldo and Mas Gani. What about the new team members? Do you guys have any other inputs for this problem? Maybe Bani? Yes.
Yeah, maybe I can give some insight of mine. Yeah, maybe I just saw the Bukit Vista Instagram, and the posting is based on daily activity. It's good, but I didn't see any hashtag, because as I know hashtag is good enough for gaining impression. Is it right? I think there's no hashtag. Uh, Maybe for the next posting it will be better to add more hashtag. Yeah, as I know, at least 15 until 20 hashtag per posting, it will be good to gain more impression. Because maybe when we post something and then people who like under 50, under 100, and I think we will need more strategy for this. And also maybe how about the SEO content? I think it also needs SEO keyword and content, like in Instagram and Facebook, because when I try to searching the keyword, I think it's not quite easy to find what is Bukit Vista, what is the main keyword of Bukit Vista in the website and Facebook. Maybe I think it will improve. It should improve, I think. That's from me.
Okay, thank you, Bani, for the input. Grace, do you have any comments regarding Bani's input? Because this one is regarding the Instagram. Grace?
Oh, maybe for hashtag, you can see it in the comments. Maybe that's my answer, because the thread is not about specifically about Instagram, right? So we can go back to the topic. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What about Dea?
I think I have some question maybe regarding the concern about the leads, the concern about legal stuff, the tax payment. Isn't like all of it is already included in the marketing set, like before, but like when we when we reach out to partner, that we have to have some our own like set of marketing and sales, and then on it, it's already without consulting anyone, that the sales already have like the basics of the legal stuff, because it's like it's like the basic concern. It will be the basic concern of every partner, not just the pricing, but including the legal and stuff. So we don't have to consult other people or consult the legal team. Before we consult the legal team, at least maybe the sales and development that reaching the partner directly, they can faster maybe already have the basic of the legal stuff at least, or maybe example um, of the previous partner, like an agreement that we have already with the previous partner, just an example, not the real agreement, so we can show them what's the legal stuff that we have already, the tax and the payment, how can we done it with the partner, I think. I mean, that's included when we are reaching out to them. Like it's in the introduction stage, that this is what we do, this is the legal stuff, and etc. And if we need to be more in depth, then we reach out to the legal team. That's a good thing.
Okay. Thank you, Dea, for the input. And for myself, I think if we're already getting two new leads from the website, that means we're already getting the right audience target. We already got the right audience, and but I want to ask to Mas Gani, because you said earlier that uh, there's a concern in the website campaign that the there are a lot of traffic and high quality audience, but low contents. Is it still the case for now?
Um, I think so. I think so. Yeah, perhaps our copywriting it's not clear enough or not simply enough. So I think it's still need a lot of improvement. But yeah, since we just get new tools, I think it's a good signal that it is a cause of our content. So I make a little bit change on content, and then we just do new. So what I can see on the future, perhaps if we could make Papaya more simple, more attractive, more informative, I think we can got more high quality traffic. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mas. Thank you, Mas Gani. From my side, I have a side project that I already talked with Kaaldo before, and it's about the typography in the website, and also uh, the the copywriting. Maybe I can consult with you more about this one. So for the improvement for the website itself.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's all for the first thread, and I think we still have another one from Mas Gani about the yes.
Yep, I think I need apa namanya? I want to speak my thought first regarding this thread.
Okay.
Okay, so I already gather all the information from the other member basically, but there is some out of focus regarding the current campaign because it is only website campaign what we can do better and what we are what's already great. From the what's already great, I already have a conclusion that we already have a SEO monster. So uh, when we type villa management property Bali, we already got number one on the top search on Google. And also, when we search Bali property management, we also already at number one. So I think that's the biggest advantage or the biggest our strength regarding the website campaign. Other than that is Uh, yeah, I think just that regarding the SEO. So I assume my hypothesis is these two leads are basically the type of the type using fila management keyword. I believe so. My assumption my assumption is they start using a keyword Bali property management or villa management in Bali using Google. That's my hypothesis. But for the real data, I need Aldo to have an interview to gather the information about what's their journey on the digital platform. Yeah, it is like are they found us on Facebook or they found us on a website or they found us on Google My Business. I think that could be our next step to know better what is the a user journey on digital platform and what we can do better for the other is um, yep, I already gather all information basically, like SEO of page, like the social media things, and then what is the SEO on page, what is our next keyword research, and then the new insight from Dea is also put the legal basic information of legal stuff. I think that could be our a next step to also include in our website. And other than that is okay. I also interesting. The Grace thought is very interesting. The website it's not increasing, but what is the activity? Our next activity to put our effort to make our website is also increasing with the uh, high quality audience. I think that could be next our next things in this website campaign, and also Mas Gani also mentioned about make more attractive content, make more simple copywriting. So I need more details. What is the attractive thing? What is the simple copywriting? I think that could be our next strategy regarding this website campaign. And for the next action is I believe Mas Gani will working on this. And please, Mas Gani, write down what is your details of the attractive content means and also simple copywriting, and then what is the your plan in SEO on page and also SEO off page, and then yeah, I think that's the important things. Back to Mr.
Okay, thank you, Mas Rizal. Does anyone else want to add up anything for these threads before we move on to the next one? No? Okay, let's move on to the next one. So the next one is from Mas Gani. It's about the email block subscriber. Can you please explain more about this? Oh, okay, Mas Caldo. Yeah, Caldo.
We haven't conclude what is the conclusion of the thread.
Okay. So for the conclusion for the threads, so okay, can you put up? Okay. For the as what Mas Rizal said before, we want to focus more on the SEO. And also for Mas Gani to put the as what Dea said before, the legal stuff, and also considering with the what Lila said before, to gain more traffic from social media from Instagram and Facebook, and we can also apply for the blogs as well.
Although maybe we can put it later. We can continue to the another topic first because we close to running out of time.
Okay. Okay, Kaldo. Let's move on to the next thread. It's from Mas Gani. Can you please explain more about the email blog subscriber?
Yeah, okay. So since we are running out of the time, we just have 3 minutes. So I need everyone give the written talk about this. So you guys please write it down about this one. So basically, we have a lot of email subscriber. It could be student, property owner, and agent as well. So, got any idea of what we have to do this? Could be email marketing or something. So yeah, I need a suggestion or ideas about that. So everyone, please write down your thought about this one. So perhaps hopefully on the next Wednesday we have a conclusion. So what do we have to do about this? Yeah, I think just that.
Okay, thank you, Mas Gani. So please, after this, everyone can please put your input into the discussion management paper. And I think we don't have any other threads after this. So,
Rahma, I think I still got another topic.
oh,
That's for me.
okay.
Yep.
Okay, from Mas Rizal, it's about the preventing overbooking in December. Is it correct?
Yep.
Please explain simply about this one.
Okay, thank you, Rahma. Also, this is I need your suggestion or your ideas. So basically, at this December we are in the high season. So the overbooking things is very common, and it is like usual things that we face in high season in December. And yep, I think the thing that already friend apa namanya, hal yang udah terbiasa dengan overbooking adalah mungkin aku, Aldo, dan juga Mak Wayan. But for the interns, maybe not used to it because it is very like it is like a special case, and maybe to
It's called undersupply.
yeah. Okay, maybe I need your solution in the written things there. Maybe what the things that we can do better to prevent the overbooking. Offer to everyone, Mak Wayana, Aldo, Grace, Rahma, Lila, Camelia, and then sorry Lila, and then Mas Gani, and also Bani, and also Dia. Also, you can put your opinions on there. Yep, I need your advice or suggestion before Wednesday. So please write that down. Thank you. Back to Rahma.
Okay, thank you.
Rizal,
Yep, Mo.
Okay,
maybe
Wayan.
you can give a bit intro how is overbooking happen so that they can like think of something.
Yes, of course. Okay. Okay, this is interesting. Thank you, Mo, for the question. Okay, I will. I try to explain it in bahasa because it is a little bit complex. So we have a OTA, kita punya OTA seperti Airbnb, Booking.com, dan juga Agoda. Tapi selain itu, kita juga punya Facebook, Instagram, dan juga website untuk memasarkan properti kita ke tamu. Nah, masalahnya adalah saat high season seperti ini, kita susah untuk mengkoordinasikan booking-booking tersebut karena pasti bakal barengan atau overlapping antara booking satu dan lainnya. Nah, marketing sebenarnya lebih punya kontrol ke channel manager, yaitu aplikasi atau platform untuk mengorganize setiap booking yang masuk. Nah, kalau dari Airbnb, Agoda dan juga Booking.com, kita udah punya sistem yang bagus di sana. Jadi ketika ada booking yang masuk, itu udah langsung terblok. Jadi itu udah serba otomatis. Cuman kalau dari Facebook, Instagram atau website, kita manually block kalendernya. Jadi channel dari sosial media itu lebih rawan untuk overbooking. Nah, untuk bagaimana cara kita biar bisa mengurangi overbooking tersebut. Nah, makanya aku ingin minta teman-teman untuk memberikan saran atau suggestion-nya atau ide-idenya.
Okay, actually next, does everyone have this paper access? Otherwise, the chair need to share the link.
Yeah, I think already.
Okay.
We already have it. Okay.
Okay.
Does anyone want to add anything else? No? Thank you. Thank you for the updates, everyone. Don't forget to give your thoughts about the threats from Mas Rizal. We over by 2 minutes, but I think that's all the meeting for today. Thank you very much for your input and updates. That's all for today. Thank you.